This is absolutely beautiful. I think one of the best views in the Surrey Hills, if not the best. Okay, all being well, this bridleway should take me back on my proper route. Good morning. Today I feel very excited. I haven't actually been on a walk for a good few days, maybe at least a week actually. So I was due to be back in work this morning and it's been postponed until tomorrow due to various COVID-19 restrictions and stuff. So I have just got up nice and early. It's about 6 o'clock now to get a cheeky little walk in. So I'm just heading off through the Surrey Hills. I tried something new today. I went on the OS maps and I tried to plot out a route on my phone on the maps to see if I can get from here. I'm going to go down into Friday Street. There's a beautiful little pond down the bottom there and then go right away around up the Leith Hill and back down. It's a perfect morning, so let's crack on and check out the beautiful Surrey Hills. Okay, I've just been wandering through the woods and just realised I've gone completely off course. I'm sure you can see this, but that little arrow there, the red arrow, is where I am, and this red line across here is where I should be. So I forgot to check my phone basically and carried on walking. So yeah, I've gone a little bit on a detour, but that's fine. I've just checked my map thing again and I still should be, technically speaking, over that way, over there, about another sort of, I don't know, 600-700 yards. So I'm going to follow the road up and then hopefully there'll be a little footpath on my left and that'll take me up and I'll join the official route I should have gone on. Okay, all being well, this bridleway should take me back on my proper route. Okay, I'm almost at Leith Tower. That was way easier than I expected because I've come up here before. When you park at some of the other car parks, some of the steps are really steep to get up here. But that was like a nice gentle incline, and yeah, we'll finish off now. The sun's come back out, which is lovely, so let's go. I know I said my walk up here wasn't very steep, but the last few hundred yards definitely gets steeper. Finally arrived at Leith Hill. This is absolutely beautiful. I think one of the best views in the Surrey Hills, if not the best. Now you probably can't see it, but with this camera, but right in the far distance you can just make out the skyline of London and the Shard, a few of the buildings, but as I'm filming on a GoPro there's no zoom. There's a little placard on here, says this tower, together with 5 acres of land, was presented to the National Trust for places of historic interest or natural beauty by W.J. McAndrew Esquire of Reigate on the 5th of October 1923, to be held for the public. So if you're down in the Surrey Hills, come and check out Leith Hill Tower. Just on the last leg now, I'm back on track with my little ordnance survey map. I reckon I've got about a mile or so to go, just following this little stream here that I believe runs down to the pond, which is where we started. I've got to say, on this walk, on the drive down here, some of the houses are just so picturesque and beautiful. There's just little chocolate box cottages, yeah, they look lovely. It's just such a nice place. I'm now back at the pond where I first started, and now the car park is just up to the left. It's been quite a nice sort of chilled walk actually, not as difficult as I thought it was going to be, so I'd say it was an easy walk. I feel just happy to get out in the countryside and just feel the nature, you know. It just feels lovely to be outside. Yeah, that was a 5.78 mile walk, nice little loop, yeah, Friday Street to Leith Hill Tower and back, on a beautiful sunny day.